Tired of Jira spamming you with notifications for every work item you glance at? Here's how to turn off automatic watching in 30 seconds. Now, we'll go into your Jira settings, find the automatic watching toggle, and disable it. Just follow these simple steps. All right, let's start by opening up your Jira account. Go ahead and log in however you normally do. It doesn't matter if you're on the cloud version or a company-hosted instance, the setting we're looking for is in the same place. So once you're in and you can see your dashboard, we're ready for the next part. Now, look up in the top right-hand corner of the screen. See that little gear icon? Click on that. It's pretty small, but it's your gateway to pretty much all the important configuration stuff in Jira. You'll get a drop-down menu with a few options. One of them should say Personal Settings. Click on that option. Just a heads up, make sure you're clicking on Personal Settings and not something like System or Products. You want the settings that apply just to you. Okay, so now you're on the Personal Settings page. This is where you can tweak how Jira works for you personally. What we need is about halfway down the page. Scroll down slowly until you see a section labeled Watch Work Items Automatically. I know the page can look a bit dense with options, but this one stands out pretty clearly. It's usually right around the area where you can also change your default time zone or your email notification preferences. And here's the really important part. Right next to that Watch Work Items Automatically label, there's a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on it. The default option is probably set to On or Always. This is the setting that has been quietly adding you as a watcher to every single work item you view or comment on. That's why your inbox has been overflowing. From that drop-down, choose the option that says Turn Off Automatic Watching. It's that simple. You don't need to click a save button or confirm anything just yet. Jira usually saves this kind of preference instantly. But let's make sure. So after you've selected Turn Off Automatic Watching, click somewhere else on the page, like a blank area or another setting. This often triggers the save. Then scroll back up to that same spot and check the drop-down again. It should now clearly show that automatic watching is turned off. If it does, you're all set. From this moment forward, you will only receive notifications for work items you actively choose to watch. And that's it. You've gone from drowning in automatic Jira notifications to having full control over which work items you keep an eye on. Your inbox is going to thank you. Thanks for watching.